Hey there, I'm Lauren Taylor, a graphic and web designer for female coaches and creatives. And in this video, I'm going to walk through how to use the site styles options of a Squarespace website. So I'm currently under the Heights template right now. And if I click on design and then go to site styles, you'll see that all of these different options pop up. So these are all of the different aesthetic changes that you can make on the website. So if I just scroll back up, you'll see that you can change the settings for the full site. You can also change the site padding. And as you change that, you'll see how it changes on the screen so that you're able to see it basically live. And let's see, also, yes, so you can also choose to show a border or to not show a border. For the header, you can see that there are some padding options here, some different layout options if you wanted to move your logo around or maybe change how the navigation is appearing. You can also choose to show the search icon. So you can click top right and you'll see that it will now appear right there. And you can also choose to hide it as well as the cart position. You'll see that if I click on hide, and then it will go away. So let me just add that back in. Yeah, so what you can also do as well is you can just click on the certain area that you want to change, and whatever is there in the area that you've clicked, it will automatically appear on this side. So whatever settings you can change. So this, for example, is heading 1. So when I click on that, all of the, I mean, there's really only 2, but the heading 1 settings pop up. So here is where I can change the font style. I can change the weight. I can make it italic. I can change the sizing if I'd like. I can change the letter spacing, which you want to be careful with. You can make it uppercase, lowercase, or just capitalize, or none. You can also change the line height as well. And then for here, so the overlay is how heading 1 appears on a banner image or an overlay. So because this is not a blank page, that is what this color is referring to. Whereas if you come down here and click on membership, it's also heading 1, but you'll see that the overlay has gone and now you can see that the color is black. And for example, again, over here for this button, this is the button block medium. So any medium button block that is on your site will all have these same exact settings. So that's something that you want to be aware of, that whatever you change to one area of like where that design element is, it will be uniform across the entire site. So if I were to change this color to maybe something darker or maybe like a gray, then and I click save, then every single button block that is medium on the site will now change colors. So I can go back to show all, and pretty much that is similar with all of the other areas of the website. You can really just scroll down and see all of the different settings to really get a feel for what's there. But for example, see here, the body text, you can change the colors, you can change all of the 3 headings, you can change the body text overlay for the banner images, and the same for heading 1 and 3. And yeah, so you can just take a look through those, but that is pretty much the main gist of using it. Like I said, you can just click around. So for example, this is a banner image, and you can see how I can turn on the parallax or turn it off. You can also do a smart crop, and you can also add an overlay color. So depending on how much transparency you want and what the color will be, that is how you can change that around. And then you can also change more of the colors there. But yeah, so just play around with it. You can click over to different sections and change the settings over here. But pretty much all of the site settings will appear over here when you click show all. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope you found this helpful. I'm also going to leave a link to my freebie, which is 10 costly website mistakes that are costing you clients. So you can check that out. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for your time.